Welcome to this move-in ready Craftsman-style home with a bright open floor plan. It's located in a fantastic, quiet Vancouver neighborhood, close to parks, schools, Peace Health Southwest Medical Center, I-205, and with easy access to multiple shopping options. Heading inside, discover an inviting floor plan with high ceilings, a gas fireplace, and an open, flowing design. The kitchen features stainless steel appliances, abundant counter space, a gas range, and a pantry. Just down the hall, you'll find a vaulted main-level office and a convenient powder room. On the upper level, you'll enjoy a flexible loft space with plenty of natural light. Double doors open to the spacious primary suite. The well-appointed bath features a dual-sink vanity, soaking tub, separate shower, and a walk-in closet. This home of more than 2,300 square feet has 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, new carpet, and new interior paint. You'll also find a fully fenced backyard with a patio. The 2-car garage has room for storage. Style and functionality in a great Vancouver neighborhood. It's all here ready for you to call home. To schedule your personal tour, please contact Steve Nassar at 503-805-5582. For financing options, please contact Carrie Benshoff with Director's Mortgage.